Good morning to one and all present here. In this video lecture series, we are going to discuss about and subject design of transmission systems. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic design of flat belts. There are about different types of belts. We will discuss about why we need to select the flat belt, what are the different types of applications, limitations, and also the design procedure of flat belts. Before we built our timing belt or gear drive, industries are heavily on flat belt for the power transmission. Even today, flat belts are widely used in conveyors, textile industries, and high-speed machinery. But how do we actually design a flat belt system? For that, we are going to discuss about the different step-by-step procedure, etc. And also, how do we decide the belt width? How much power can it transmit? These are all we are going to discuss in this today lecture. Before going into the topic, what is a flat belt? A flat belt is a flexible belt with a rectangular cross section used to transmit the power between the two parallel shafts. Friction between belt and the pulley surface. Unlike V belt or some other drives, there is no wedge action. Flat belts are mainly suitable for long center distance, high speed, moderate power transmission, etc. These are all some of the arrangements of the flat belt. Next, we are going to discuss about the working principle of flat belt. Flat belt works based on the Euler's belt tension equation. The equation behind the flat belt is T1 by T2, which is equal to E mu theta, where T1 is the tight side tension, T2 is the stack side tension, mu is the coefficient of friction, and also theta is the angle of contact. There are about different types of drives: open belt drive, closed belt drive, and the fast and loose pulley drives. And also different types of materials can be used for making the flat belt. Some of the materials are mentioned in the slide. They are leather belts, cotton or fabric, rubber belt, and also some of the synthetic materials, etc. Next, we are going to discuss about the different parameters which is mainly considered for designing the flat belt. Some of them are power and velocity, tension analysis, geometric properties, etc. Now we are going to discuss about the design procedure of while designing the flat belt step by step. First, we need to define the calculate the design power. Design power, which is equal to rated power into the service factor. Thereabout service factor mainly depends upon the types of load, working hours, shock conditions, etc. Next, we need to select the belt material. There are about many different types of belt materials like leather, rubber, fabric, synthetic materials, etc. Material selection mainly depends upon the working temperature, moisture, speed, required strength, etc. Then we need to determine the belt speed, or we need to calculate the belt velocity by using the formula V, which is equal to pi dn divided by 60, where d is the diameter, n is the speed, and v is the velocity. Next, we need to calculate the required tension difference. From power equation, we can determine T1 minus T2, which is equal to P divided by V. Next, we need to determine the belt width. The formula for belt width is T, which is equal to sigma into B into T, where sigma is the allowable stress, B is the belt width, which we need to calculate, and then T is the belt thickness. And also we need to calculate the length of the belt. For that, we are having the formula which is available in the design data book, PhD design data book, L, which is equal to 2c plus pi by 2 d plus d plus d minus d the whole square divided by 4c, where capital D is the diameter of the larger pulley, small d is the diameter of the smaller pulley. And also we need to consider different types of design considerations such as proper pulley alignment, accurate initial tension, and also we need to find out the arc of contact factor theta and avoid the excessive slip, and we also should have a good ventilation. Next, we will discuss about the differences, mind mapping, and also difference of open and cross belt. In case of open belt drive, it moves in the same direction, whereas in the cross belt die the pulley moves in the opposite direction. In case of open belt, less wrap angle, here it is an more wrap angle. Next we will discuss about the applications of an flat belt drive. It is majorly used in the conveyor systems, textile machinery, paper mills, agriculture equipment, high speed machine tools, etc. Some of the advantages of flat belts are simple design, low cost, suitable for long distance, higher efficiency, etc. In the next video we will discuss about the design of an V belt drive. Thank you.